Fuck me. Hold on one second. Natives are calling. Well, I got the two old retired guys moving. He's going over to the West County, Sherman County, Nebraska, USA. Finish up that last quarter of disking. And that recluse, he's gonna go out and start filling in some more ditches. 89 years old. Let's see what he can break today. Hopefully he brings that wing back up. And that's still my favorite machine on the farm. She's rough, but she's fun to run. I'm gonna pack my bag and go get in the excavator. Them natives in their dark humor fucking just cracked me up. And that fucker, that's kind of like an ugly woman. It's kind of fun to be in. Just takes a little while to get used to her and love her. Can't forget the blue paper towels. Those may come in handy today. Well, time to get to work. Have a great fucking day.